So what we're going to show you here is the single view slash speed initiative and how they sort of work together. So I've already logged in, I've clicked recruits on the left hand side, and we'll go ahead and choose a recruit. So the first screen we're going to get here is the single view screen. The first time you do this, you will get a set of directions that list it step by step on how to set up your single view fields, but we'll go ahead and show you that. So what is single view? Single view is a set of fields that are your priority fields, the fields that you're tracking, updating, editing, adding information to, maybe removing information to on a day-to-day basis as you're speaking with recruits or getting information maybe from admissions, whatever the case may be. So what we need to do is choose which fields we want to appear in the single view. The first major step in this is clicking this button right here, Add Remove Fields. And we'll get a page that shows an empty box and then all of your other fields and the tabs that they fall under. I'm going to go ahead and add some of these fields. So first name seems like an obvious choice, probably last name, and we'll choose a few others. So it's just really as simple as clicking and dragging. We'll add some fields from the athletic profile as well, maybe from the academic profile, etc. So now we've chosen these fields. How do we save it? Well, we just click on single view because we want to view what they look like anyway. So now your fields are added, they're saved, they're stored. What's nice about this is you only have to do this one time. So if we log out, we go to another computer, these fields are saved. We'll of course point out that the discussion box is there. One other thing to note is that these single view fields are unique to the user. So you may want to track certain fields that maybe another coach doesn't want to track. So it's really up to you. It's priority based on the coach. So how does this work with the speed initiative? Well, as you can tell, we've sort of eliminated these edit, update buttons and the load screens and all that stuff. Essentially now, if you want to update some information, let's say we speak with a recruit and they've moved. Well, we want to update their home address. We just simply click on the field and type in their new address. Move the cursor away and it's saved. Similarly, let's say they've moved out of state, and there you go. So that's the new process of updating fields. But what happens, let's say, if we want to look at our other fields, fields that don't necessarily appear in single view? Well, all we have to do is click this tab view button right here, and all our fields appear there. You'll notice that as we click from tab to tab, it loads instantly. And again, maybe this recruit gets a new email address, and we want to update that. All we do is click on the field and type in the new email address. And again, it's saved. Of course, the discussion box appears at the bottom, so if we need to add notes or send out emails, there you go. So that's single view, that's speed initiative.